Alright boys, let's yank the motor out of this here race ready super stock. We got it wrapped, we got all the body done, we got everything done, so we might as well pull the motor out because we got a month and a half till we're on track. So appreciate you clicking on this video. Also, I've been told that if we get 5,000 subscribers before the start of race season, like we'll say May 1st, that I gotta cut my sleeves off for a whole month and go sleeveless. So that's inspired by Cletus McFarland. So I guess subscribe if you want to see my guns.
Oh, just gotta watch the headers and the plugs on that side. We're good on this side.
We might have to take the plugs out. I was trying to take it out and go. The plugs?
They won't clear past the headers.
You just pull that header back, grab it.
I got a little bit of room. Opa! Just your little motor mounts. Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go.
You don't need fingers. You're retired.
Oh. Everything look good at the back here, Jimmy? I can't see it too well.
That back motor mount's gonna catch.
Catch what?
The header.
You can snake it forward quite a bit now.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And see if you can sneak it over this way, right? Look at the back.
We pulled the motor out of our race ready race car. It's even wrapped. Because we're gonna go fast. We have purchased a brand new 602 Red Seal motor from Humberview and all the bolt-ons, everything to go with it. After our grenading last...
I know, it's a bad word.
Yes, we are not happy about this, as you can tell. We're happy we're gonna have another motor, but it's not happy when you have to buy another motor. My dog's not a shop dog, in case you can't tell. She doesn't like it out here.
The other side, and then we'll get it bolted on. Just keep the bolts over there for the cradle.
So the motor has been pulled, and this is a race ready, perfect condition. How many nights do we figures on this motor? 12, 14?
Like 3 since we redid it.
Three since we fixed it. So
12.
This is the motor that a couple years ago had the bolt, like the butterfly bolt from the carburetor, fall in. We caught it in time, didn't do any major damage, so we had it. They took it and put a new piston in. There was no damage to anything else, just the piston. It was embedded in the piston, so there was no real damage done to it. So this motor, since that, has like 4 races on it, but it has like 12 races total. So this is a basically freshly broken in, hopefully good for another 30 nights before it needs a refresh. So this motor we just pulled out of the car, and we're going to tuck her under our new fab table here, and it'll be an amazing spare motor in case we need it. Hopefully we never need it. You know, that rule of thumb where if you got it, you don't need it. So we have purchased a brand new 602 crate motor from Humberview. Took advantage of their 10% off deal this month, which by the time you see this is probably over, so that's not really useful information for you. However, we bought it through WMI, so I appreciate WMI helping us in that regard. And we got all our new parts to go on the motor, so this motor can sit here turnkey, basically just drop it in. We pulled this thing out in an hour, and it could go back in just as much time, plus add a few minutes for putting fluids in it. So once we get the other motor, we can put all these brand new parts on it. I felt like we were kind of on borrowed time a little bit with some of the things like our fuel pump and our starter and stuff that were, you know, 4 or 5 years old. Especially in the racing world, that's a long time. So when we built that brand new car last year, the only thing that was not brand new was the driveline. So now this winter, the driveline is brand new. We're gonna put a new transmission from Soggy and Short's transmission, everything in there. And yeah, this is the this is the motor from last year mid-season that grenaded. And when I say grenaded, I mean grenaded.
Peekaboo.
I think that's the good side. So this motor's just here. We might put a shop edition on some point, and I think we're gonna put a bathroom in, so that'll be a sink because it's already got a drain hole. Obviously, it's the next morning here after our engine pull night, but some of our Epic Race Whip products have just arrived, so we figured why not do a little unboxing. Well, I already took it out of the box. We've unboxed. Unbagging. First things first. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. We're gonna get to this. I just dropped that. Oh yeah, shop carpet. That's slick. I like it. It's like machine washable and everything. I just wanted a carpet for the shop, and also for when we do show days with our sponsors and stuff to put beside the car. It's gonna be pretty slick. So this thing, I dig it. It's soft. It's a nice carpet. You can do whatever you want. They just sent me a blank file and said, here you go, have fun designing. So this is what we came up with. Our pit road wall banner for the year. We always have a pit road wall banner. Look at me, I'm in the bar. What can I get you, sir? So obviously this is the full pit box, which is 20 feet. And the shop is 20 feet wide. So let's see how much we can get in here.
You should start with a little thing that time.
There's the first half of it. We got our new honeycomb design that we've done on all of our stuff for the year. Obviously our 2 big primary partners. And then here's the other half with some of our other key marketing partners that are going on this pit wall banner for the year. Last thing we got, this is gonna be badass. So we built this new pit cart. We took a lot of pride in it. If you haven't seen those videos, we got like 7-part series or 6-part series. Go back and watch them. There's tons of views on them, so go back and watch those. We got this from Epic, obviously. A custom designed pit cart cover, just like the big league NASCAR teams. Rainproof. So there's been a few times we've been at the track and it's, started pouring. Obviously we're underneath our Epic Racewear tent, but water still comes sideways sometimes. We got our car cover and everything, so we took so much pride in this. We figured we should have a rain cover for the pit cart. Oh my god, it fits perfect. I took the 28 off of our logo, made a different logo for it in case we go different race series or something next year and we're not number 28. Come on. Anyways, that's what we've been up to the last couple of nights. The motor's all pulled, all of our bolt-ons, everything over here, we're ready to go. We're just waiting on the new motor to get delivered. But I'm happy with all this stuff. This is just badass. Our crew shirts are on the way. I had to order new shoes because mine actually burned during the NASCAR race. I see why guys wear like heel protectors and stuff now. Those shoes lasted pretty good though, so I ordered some new custom ones from Epic. They're gonna be pretty sweet, and yeah, we're getting geared up. Once we get the new motor in, the car's pretty much ready to go. So appreciate everybody watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Apparently I have to go sleeveless if we can get to 5,000 like I said at the start of the video, so I look forward to hopefully showing the guns off. Hopefully we get to 5,000, and that'll be it. We'll be back here another night soon, hopefully doing some more motor work.